Good morning, guys. It is Wednesday, July 18th, and it is 8:30 a.m. I got up at 8 and just chilled in my bed for a little bit and made some breakfast. And I decided that I would come outside and get some stuff done before I have to go to work. And I do this a lot. I either go outside right away in the morning, or I go to like Starbucks or a local coffee shop and just sit there and do work. But today I just came out on my porch and I have my breakfast. So I just made myself some bananas with peanut butter on top, raspberries and almonds, and then I have my coffee with my mug from New York City when I went there. Okay, so I went and brushed my teeth and washed my face, because all I do is wash my face with water and then put on this Aveeno Clear Complexion Daily Moisturizer and then my makeup, and that's all I do. I don't add any acne products in the morning or anything because I don't want to annoy my skin or dry out my skin. So I got up early, worked out, edited, watched YouTube videos. I got a lot of stuff done. And then I'm supposed to go meet my friends to get my nails done at 10. So I was just about to leave and I walked outside and a huge like cement filling truck is in the driveway. So I can't leave. Literally this whole morning, it hasn't been here. And then the second, I'm not even kidding you, the second I walk out the door to go to my car and back out, it pulls in the driveway. Okay, I'll do an OOTD since I have nothing to do while I wait for my friends. Let's see, necklace is from Brandy. Tube top is from Brandy. Jean skirt is from Target. And then I'm wearing these really cute shoes. They're probably one of my favorite shoes like ever, and I know they have other styles at Target. This one has like navy blue and red detailing, otherwise they're all white, but I know that they have like other ones at Target and I want to go get them. And they literally feel like slippers, but the bottom is just a harder surface because they're like shoes, not slippers. Anyways, I guess I'll just make my bed and clean up a little bit while I wait. I'm looking for new suitcases because I just use my dad's when I travel, and this is like plain black. But okay, I found some pretty cute ones. So I was thinking either this one, and I want one of these that like are metal and you can slide. And I liked this one. Otherwise, that one's pretty cute too. I don't know. So we went to Panera for lunch, and I just got an apple for the side, and then I got a roasted turkey BLT with avocado and just a water to drink. I swear I eat more than that. I only got a little bit because I'm going to my grandparents later and they usually make a ton of food. So this is just to hold me over until then. And this is the birthday girl. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
What did you guys get?
Mac and cheese and I got broccoli and butter bread bowl and a cheese pastry.
Nice.
From Starbucks.
Nice. Dang it, an avocado fell.
So hard.
So I didn't really vlog much of the rest of the day, but basically I just went and got gas and then went to my friend Ashley's house for her birthday, saw her bunny, went to go get a few things because she's having a little like get together fire tonight, and so I went with her to get the stuff that we need, and then I think that that's about everything that I did today. So I don't know if I'm going to combine this with another vlog or if this is going to be all one vlog. Depends on how much footage I get, and I kind of forgot how much footage I did get. But anyways, hope you enjoyed the vlog. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you in my next vlog.
Recording. Give me it. I'll do it.
Hi vlog.
Hi vlog.
Hey.
That's Avery, you know her. So you guys haven't seen me, and where do I look? You look.
So we went to MEJ's, which is a local coffee place. I got an iced matcha with lavender, and if you have a local coffee place by you, you should get this. I'm sure they make it because it's like a simple thing. But she got that
so
too.
Good. I didn't. I'm not basic. Just kidding.
Tell them what you got.
I got an iced caramel latte.
Isn't that more?
It was kind of.
You're like a vlogger already.
Below average. Do you call
A
me
plus.
Becca?
Blogger.
Oh,
Vlogger.
I'm good at vlogging.
Okay, bye.